In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with a bank transfer using Trust Wallet, and before getting started it's important to mention that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes, so you should always do your own research. Buying Bitcoin through Trust Wallet with a bank transfer is possible because the app connects you to regulated third-party providers rather than processing payments itself. First, make sure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed and open the app. From the home screen, tap on the Buy or Fund option, select Buy Crypto, and search for Bitcoin or BTC. After selecting Bitcoin, change the local currency to USD and enter the amount you want to purchase. Next, choose a payment method and select Bank Transfer if it's available through your chosen provider. Depending on your location, you may see options like Instant Bank Transfer or Standard Bank Payment. Because these providers operate under financial regulations, you may be asked to complete identity verification, which is a normal process. Follow the provider's on-screen instructions carefully and send the exact amount requested. Processing times can range from a few minutes to several hours, and once completed, the Bitcoin should appear in your Trust Wallet. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple and honest crypto tutorials.